everyone, this is teacher Jenny. I'm an English teacher and I am a Webtalker. I use Webtalk to teach English, and I can deliver the English language in a simple way, and you will know it. And I know that Webtalk can help us to know this wonderful English language in an easy way, and they will know, because I teach you in a simple way that you can speak English fluently, you can understand English, you can write English. So you just invite everyone that want to study this wonderful English language, and then tell them to join my link, and they will be there and they will study for free. It's a free class. All you need is to practice and get the lesson from me, and then use that so that you can know this wonderful English language. So I'm here to help you guys, and you will know this English language. So I exhort you guys to support us, support all of the teachers who are giving this course for free in Webtalk, and just support us, and you will know it.
I think rural life is the life in the countryside, and the life in the countryside is very different from the city.
Yes.
You know, every times in the countryside, the air will be fresher. The vegetables
take you with a Lamborghini, those expensive cars, and you have to be ready. I will try to do it in 30 seconds if I can. I said, like, even if it's in 60 seconds, it's fine. That is still like little amount of time. Okay, it's still fine. But as long as they know who you are, what you stand for, and what you are looking for. Okay. And then when you tell people about your values, people will respect it. For me, my personal values is like, I'm a trustworthy person. I don't like people who is not honest. It sounds, and it was hard for me to put it like between my teeth. And I said, like, those three things there, think that there through. And I have to collect all of the words with TH, and I have to practice it every day. And it was hard for me. But the more I do it, the more I can understand them. I'm still like asking you guys every day before you are going to start, because 30 seconds, it's not a lot. But I just want to listen from you, like, how are you going to introduce yourself in that short time, and people will know all about you. We are here to learn, like, what is the plan? What are the things that make us to improve our life? What are the things that we should do to make our life good than before? There is something that we need help, like when you say something, please try to say subject, verb, and object. Alright? I study, I eat, I sleep, and then put something like that. Alright? You will do that next time. Okay?